तुमकां येवकार दिता. आयज आमी आयल्या हांगा गोंयचो आवाज along with our associated organizations. For example, here we have Goemkar Against PDA. आनी हे आमी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स मागला कित्याक एज अ रिएक्शन and a response to what the TCP minister has told the media after their so-called fast meeting which was held yesterday. I request Mr. Arthur to kindly.
So we have heard that the TCP minister has made some statements spiced with some emotions, but we would like to say that it was nothing but a half-hearted approach to our demands. We had earlier stated that we want all the PDAs to be removed and the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments been done. He has cunningly shifted the burden now to the assembly, wherein he has said that the points of regional plan 21 and 73rd and 74th or amendments be taken up with the assembly. Now, this is nothing but an attempt to shift the burden. We have been continuously saying it is not only Vijay Sardesai that is involved in this whole process, but also the government. Also the BJP government is strongly at hand, and that's the reason why he has shifted the burden now to the assembly. Now, we require a gazetted notification. A gazetted notification that the PDAs have been removed together with the survey numbers, and unless we get that at hand, we will not be in a position to say what we are going to do next. Now, very importantly, we had said remove all the PDAs. Candolim, Harpora, and those areas, Calangute, have not been removed, and we object to them because we have stood by all Goenkars together. From where do the commands come is now a big question mark. According to the statements that TCP minister has made, from where the commands are coming, we really do not know. Goenkars want to know the real picture. And if you go to see, the cat is now out of the bag. As I have said again, it is out of the bag, and now the TCP minister is making, or rather shifting on the onus of the operation onto the assembly. And lastly, I want to say, कोंकणीन भाशेन एक म्हणणें आसा, एक जाणट्याचें आयकुपाक जाय आनी एक तरणाट्याचें बी आयकुपाक जाय. आनी हेच्या तो 4 बोर्डकां कितें म्हणटा पळय तो 4 भुरगे आसा ह्या हितून चळवळीन, हांव ताका सांगूंक सोदतां, बाबा आमचें कितें आयक आनी जाणट्याचें कितें आयक. आनी आमी परत परत सांगता, आमकां तुमी you have not taken us into confidence, so we once again say that you have to take us into confidence and listen to us. Thank you.
I would like to speak especially regarding Candolim, Calangute, Arpora and Parra. हे जे पळयतात तुमी म्हाजेशीन 7 लेटर हा 7 letters starting from 4th of April till 14th of May, that is day before yesterday. आम्ही मागला TCP minister and board of directors of the TCP board that if they have not included our request to denotify Candolim, Calangute, Arpora and Parra, then to please include that in the agenda of the TCP meeting which happened yesterday. It is a shame, Vijay, की तू हांव नको तू इतलो भियेला की मायकलान तुका सांगला बँड जायनाका म्हूण इतलो भियेला तू आनी तेजे आयकोंक वयता काय तू आमच्या लोकांचे आयकूंक वयतलो तू भियेला और तू इन्वॉल्व जाला हे सगळे स्कॅमान आमचे कानोय आनी कालांगूट जाता ते स्कॅमान तू इन्वॉल्व जाला जाल्यार मातशें सांगचें. तू सांगताय गोंयकार कोण आमी गोंयकार न्हू कालांगूटचे, आमी गोंयकार न्हू कानोयचो लोक. तर हांव तुजे कडेन मागता टू प्लीज इन्वॉल्व दीस requests that are being put before you. You have conveniently ignored us and this has hurt us and we are completely outraged with this. Do not test our patience is my request to you. Do not test our patience. We have been quiet. We have been trying to control the frustration of Calangute and Candolim. Yesterday I received so many calls with so many suggestions which are unlawful, and I have kept everyone silent in Calangute and Candolim. Please, once again, I'm telling you, don't test our patience. As a TCP minister, you have the authority to scrap these PDAs. And once again, I'm telling you, if you have not understood the seriousness of this, we are waiting for that appointment with you. We are ready to sit with you amicably and let's put forth this on your table. If you have still not understood our demand, we have fasted, we have prayed for you all to make sure that you all rule us with wisdom and with love for all of us, not in this draconian way. Sorry to say, but this is nowhere close to Goemkar and Goemkar Pond. You know what are the other words attributed to you these days, and I don't want to use it on public media. But kindly, I am once again requesting you.
Before I start, I want to tell that आमचो गोंयचो आवाज consisting of over 15 organizations is a non-political movement. It is in the interest of the people of Goa. गोंयकार आणि गोंयकार पण राखपाक आमी फुडें सरले. काल of land use which were illegal from agriculture to settlement, orchard to settlement. We showed survey numbers, that is the proof. We showed Form 1 and 14, that is the proof. And from where did we get? We got from the TCP department. We don't have any other thing from the TCP department until we extract karun tanga dile. And he is saying, we want proof. We told him, when we met the chief town planner, you give access to our team of Goencho Awaz from PDA and from other organizations. We will show you how to access the data from TCP and all the illegalities will be shown. Now, the next point, why we are saying it is illegal and why he is having vested interest in diverting all the attention from the illegality. 2012 one, after Manohar Parrikar said I will scrap and he went as a typical U-turn chief minister, he denied and he put it in abeyance. Since then, since 2012, 8,500 insertions have been made in this regional plan. Those are illegal insertions belonging to powerful politicians and real estate lobby. Out of that, almost 258 are from Kankon itself. Why I am saying Kankon? Tumka khabar astili. 2011 plan which was made by then TCP minister Babush Mosarad is I will just show you one. हे एकूच वयल्यान दाखयता इतलें पळय आसा आमचे कडेन submitted from Kankon. Sorry, this is the chief town planners. Mr. James Matthew, one of the chief town planners, said, "Mostly not आमचे कडेन. We don't have any objection." Mr. Rajesh Naik corrected him, saying, "No, sir, there are." खंय आसा तो इथे रुमान बांदून दवरल्यान ती आमी पळोवंकूच ना, टायमूच ना. You don't have time to investigate objections submitted by villagers, but you have time to agree to those insertion 8,500 which politicians and land use speculators have done. तसल्याक time आसा. Again, they made committees and specifically submitted to the TCP department that your survey number wrong asa, yo kada, yo naka, these are fields wrongly shown as settlement, ye kada. Those also have not been taken in. I have made it very clear the TCP minister is just trying to dilly-dally, focus attention, trying to show some lollipops or candies. जे आम्ही गोंयकार फसपाक ना. Our just demand is scrap